they are sticking to the 3rd December deadline. What's important in that? When thousands of farmers have reached Delhi and they are sitting day and night in this cold atmosphere, why the government waiting till today? Why they are asking farmers to reach this place to this place? Why don't they go to farmers? It's not time to delay like this. They should immediately call them, they should talk to them, and they should accept their demands. They are themselves signaling that it is going to be a long time. So you settle somewhere and then government will take its own time. That's not seen. The indication they are giving is itself wrong. Why they are asking the farmers to go and sit at Banari? That means the government of India wants to take a long time. That is the message you are giving. Why don't you involve them in talks just now? And time and again he is provoking the farmers. They are trying to defame the farmer movement by labeling it as anti-national, by labeling it as Khalsa. So he should desist from this. This has hurt the sentiments of the people, and he should apologize to the farmers. Why the government of Haryana is working so proactively? This agitation is not against government of Haryana. This is against government of India. And in the last 2 months, you have seen that it is a totally peaceful struggle for their rights. So why did they stop the farmers in Haryana? Why did they use coercive methods in Haryana? They should not have interfered. They wanted to go to Delhi, they have right to go through. So why he stopped and why he used such coercive methods in Haryana? This he will have to explain one day or the other. Even the members of some political parties, even our president had to go to President of India to say that these bills should not be given approval. So how the Prime Minister can say that there was brainstorming session and proper discussion? There were no discussions. But we wanted that these bills should be referred to select committee so that there is proper discussion on the bills. View of all the stakeholders is taken. But that was not done. So how the Prime Minister can say that these bills were passed after a brainstorming? This is not a fact.